Hello everyone, welcome to the video lesson. In today's section, we're going to talk about triangle inequalities. Okay, the first property says the longest side in a triangle is opposite to the largest angle in a triangle. And then the shortest side in the triangle is opposite to the smallest angle in a triangle. So we can see there are two examples here. In the first triangle, DRE, there are three sides given. Side DE is 7, side DR is 6, and side RE is 3. What it means is the longest side DE will be opposite to the largest angle in this triangle. So if we arrange the three angles in this triangle from largest to smallest, the largest angle will be the angle opposite to the longest side. So angle R is largest in this triangle. And accordingly, angle E is facing the side measured 6. So angle E is the middle angle. And angle D is facing the side measured 3, which is the shortest side in this triangle. So angle D is the smallest angle in this triangle. And also, if we know the measure of angles, we can know which side is the longest. So in the second example, there's triangle DMU. And then we know the three interior measures, the three interior angle measures. The angle U is 100 degrees, angle M is 50 degrees, angle D is 30 degrees. So if we're known the three angle measures, we can arrange the sides from the longest side to the shortest side. The longest side will be the side facing the largest angle, or opposite to the largest angle. So the longest side in this triangle will be DM. And then the middle side will be the side facing the middle angle. So side DU is opposite to 50 degrees, which means DU is the middle side. And side MU is opposite to 30 degrees, which means side MU will be the shortest side in the triangle. So here are two more examples. I suggest you pause this video and try these two examples on your own. Okay, see if you can get the answer correct. In the first one, if arrange the angles, since we're provided with the side measures, so we can arrange the angles from the largest to the smallest. The largest angle will be the angle facing the longest side. So the longest side of this triangle is 14, which means the angle opposite to that is the largest angle, which is angle F. An angle facing the middle angle will be the angle facing the middle side will be the middle angle. So angle D, which is opposite to the side measured 10, angle D is the middle angle. And angle E is opposite to the side 8. So that means angle E is the smallest angle. And in the second example, we have three measures, 37 degrees, 45 degrees, 98 degrees. So the largest angle is angle Y, which is 98 degrees. That means the side opposite to that angle is the longest. So side XZ is the longest side. And then the middle side will be the side opposite to the middle angle, which is 45 degrees. So the side YZ will be the middle side. And then the shortest side will be the side facing the smallest angle. So the side YX will be the shortest side in this triangle. And you can try these two questions on your own, see if you can get it right. And the first one will be angle A is bigger than angle C, and it's bigger than angle B. And the second example, we have to find angle K first, since that angle measure is missing. And we can find angle K by using the angle sum theorem. Since this is a right triangle, we'll be adding angle K, and 32 degrees equals 90. So we can find angle K equals 58 degrees. And now we can find the measure of the side. We can arrange the measure of sides. Okay, so the biggest angle in this triangle will be the right angle. So the side opposite to it will be the longest. So KL is the longest side. And then the middle side will be the side opposite to the 58-degree angle. So JL is the middle side. And the smallest side will be the side opposite to the angle L. So KJ will be the smallest side of the triangle. Okay, triangle inequality. It says the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So that means in order to make an enclosed shape of triangle, we have to meet this condition. The three sides of the triangle have to meet this condition. If you add any two sides, it should be longer than the third side. So like this one, if you add side AB and side AC, side AB is 8, AC is 4, so add together is 12. 12 is bigger than side BC, which is 6. And it's also true if you add another two sides. So if we're adding side AB and BC, 8 plus 6 is greater than 4, so it's bigger than side AC. In order to make a triangle, an enclosed shape with three sides, the three sides have to meet this condition. And then the second example is this. The three sides are 6, 2, and 3. So if we try it with this theorem, we can add side HI and GI, which is 3 plus 2, and is not bigger than GH, which is 6. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 is less than 6. That means these three numbers will not make a triangle. Actually, if you draw a triangle with these three measures, it will be a shape that's not closed. You'll leave a gap there, therefore it's not a triangle. Okay, so any three measures, any three sides in a triangle have to comply with this theorem. Okay, if you add any two, it needs to be bigger than the third one. So let's look at these four examples. The first three numbers, 6, 7, and 11. If we have three sides measured in 6 and 7 and 11, could it be a triangle? Can they make a triangle? So if you can try it, you can add 6 and 7. It's bigger than 11, so that's true. You add 7 and 11. It's greater than 6, so it's true. You add 6 and 11, it's greater than 7. So it doesn't matter which two sides you add up, it's always greater than the last one. So these three numbers will make a triangle. So yes, it's possible that these three lengths will make a triangle. But if you look at the second one, there's 3, 6, and 9. We know that 3 plus 6 equals 9, not greater than 9. But that means no. this triangle will not be an enclosed shape, because if you add two sides, it's not greater than the last side. So 369 will not make an enclosed triangle. So remember that equals doesn't work, it has to be greater than. Okay. So you can try the last two examples on your own, see if you can get it right. Okay, and the third one, there's 6, 43, and 39. So 6 plus 39 is greater than 43. So that should be 2. Okay, 6 plus 43 is, of course, bigger than 39. And then last example, there's 3.5, 8.3, 11.8. And you can notice that 3.5 plus 8.3 equals 11.8. And I just said equals does not work. It has to be greater than the third side. So the third example, this one is yes. Those three measures will make a triangle. But the fourth one is no. If you have three measures like this, they will not make an enclosed triangle shape. Okay, and this question, given two sides in a triangle are 8 and 12, okay, what is the possible value of the third side? Okay, the way to find this is pretty simple. So there is a range for the third side. Okay, the upper boundary will be adding these two numbers together, okay, which means 12 plus 8 is 20. And the lower boundary for the third side is the difference between the two numbers. So we'll take the larger number minus the smaller number. So 12 minus 8 is 4. So the third side, if we call it x, is greater than 4, but less than 20. So the third side could be any number between 4 and 20. Okay, and you can try these 4 questions on your own first and then check the answer. The first one, the two sides are 5 and 12. Okay, so the possible third side could be between 17 and 7. And then second one, the two sides are 12 and 18. So if you're adding them together, the largest possible third side could be 30, and then smallest possible number is 6. Okay, and then third question, the two sides are 10 and 23. Okay, so the possible range is between 33 and 13. And last one, 7 and 7. So the third side could be anywhere between 0 and 14. Okay, in the last example here, we have a problem. With the triangle JMA, the three angles are labeled with expressions. Okay. And then we need to arrange the sides from the smallest to the largest. So if we know three angles in a triangle, we're always going to think about triangle sum theorem. So the equation for this will be adding all three angles to 180 degrees. According to the triangle sum theorem, we can set up this equation. Okay. And then to solve this equation, we're going to combine like terms. There will be 20x minus 20 equals 180. And then adding 20 on both sides, so 20x equals 200, and x equals 10. So after I get x equals 10, I'm going to plug into the three sides. Angle J will be 6 times 10 minus 8, which will be 52 degrees. Angle A will be 10 times 10 minus 7, okay, which is 100 minus 7, 93 degrees. And angle M is 40 minus 5, so which is 35 degrees. And now we know the three angle measures, we can arrange the sides, which is JM greater than MA greater